11:57 a.m. Okay, breakfast. Just gonna take some oats. There. And maybe a little yogurt. I'm just gonna grab this. Wow, it's gonna be delicious. Okay. Holy shit, this is getting a little too dry. Just gonna add some water. Yeah, maybe like that. Okay, so I just tracked it. I think it was 85 grams of oats and 350 grams of yogurt. And total added up to 551 calories. And I don't know how much protein weight that's okay, sorry for that. And 28 grams of protein for breakfast. Just gonna finish eating this. Got my bus in 30 minutes, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym. Get a solid workout. Okay, I just got off the bus. Yeah, gonna hit the gym right now. About 5 minutes and I'm there. Wow, it's gonna be an empty gym, which is why I love working out in the morning. Yeah, I've been so excited for this chest day, because benching alone is a great feeling, right? But benching with your gym bro, oh my god, it's like 10 times better because you can get the assisted reps and it's more fun. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, let's see you guys in there. Guys, the gym is almost empty. Look at this. Hast du mal Carsten?
Manik hast du gesehen? Nein. Ding, Tobi war. Ah ja, war drauf. Schau, ob ich gesprochen, Digga. Oh. Mach schön Handy. Dann einfach ein bisschen helfen. Noch schnell weiter. Komm. Kiri schon ein besseres Spotten als Malik. Ja, voll abgelehnt. Der eigentlich ist wirklich geil.
Doppel rüber.
Hä?
Doppel.
Böyle.
Oh mein Gott. Aber merci.
Nee, laatste. Ik vroeg het
Ik ga maar ook wel spotten. Merci. Ja. Waar ben je nu man? Ja,
Ik heb hem naar beneden. Ik heb hem niet meer.
Kom.
Sorry.
Kom. Nog ga je.
Op de dak nog einde.
Kom.
Zij is dit stil.
Oh,
Dat is ook typisch. Alex is 50 stijgen. Met schwarze Waarom? Ja, dat is niet. En dan pakt ze weer wat
Einmal nicht. Komm. Schön. Nochmal. Schön.
Zeg eens, dat kan precies niet. Hallo. Ja, aber das ist wenig. Das ist mehr machen.
Aber du musst nicht
Erst das kann ich viel sagen.
Komm jetzt erst einmal hier. Okay.
geh noch 3, nur noch 3. Nur 3 Kilo. 1. Push, push, push. 2, komm noch 1. Alles, was dieser Tag heute ist, finde ich richtig schwach. So ohne Grund.
I don't know if you guys can hear me by the mic, but yeah, I'm gonna hit some machine shoulder press for front delts. And well, I'm a little bit on a time pressure right now. School is starting in about 20 minutes. So yeah, let's get this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do drop sets. Okay, and so for lunch, right here, as you can see, 200 grams of rice with 250 grams of chicken. The macros, wait, just hold on. Okay, so the macros for this right here are about 900 calories and 60 grams of protein. For today, that gives me a total of 100 grams of protein and 1,400 calories. Okay, my pizza just came out of the oven. It's gonna be my little snack after school, you know, sometimes you're hungry. And yeah, it adds up to about 800 calories and 40 grams of protein for this meal. In total, I don't know what I have yet. I'm just gonna track it. I'm gonna eat with my parents and drink a liter of milk, probably, and that's gonna be it. That should bring me about 3,800 calories for the day. I hope so. And so I'm just gonna devour this meal and watch some YouTube. Okay, done with the pizza. Let's get some milk. Okay, I just finished this liter of milk. Probably gonna eat some snacks later, and right now that puts me at a total of about 2,900 calories and 160 grams of protein. And well, with the snacks, maybe around 3,200, 3,300. Protein will pretty much stay the same. And yeah, that was full day of eating.